Creating a drop servicing website for video editing using WordPress is a smart way to build a scalable business where you sell services like video editing but outsource the actual work to freelancers. So in this video, I'll show you how to make drop servicing video editing website on WordPress. So first, go ahead and understand the drop servicing model. You're essentially the middleman. You market video editing services. Clients place orders on your site and you outsource the work to skilled editors. So you earn the profit margin between what the client pays and what you pay the freelancer. So after that, you need to go ahead and get hosting and install WordPress. So you can buy a domain name or you can also buy a domain on WordPress itself. So choose a reliable hosting provider like Bluehost or Hostinger. Install WordPress with one-click setup. After that, go ahead and choose a theme and page builder. So head over into the theme tab under the appearance and then go ahead and use a clean service focused theme such as Astra or Ocean WP. So this is how Astra looks like. And let's search for Ocean WP in here as well for us to check if that would fit your preference and how your website would look like. So you can also install Elementor for drag and drop design flexibility. So before you proceed, you need to set up WooCommerce for payment. So go ahead and head over into the plugins tab. So click on plugins at the left side of your screen and that will take you to the plugins marketplace, and then go ahead and search for WooCommerce. So install WooCommerce to handle service listings and checkout and create products for each video editing package. Set pricing and description. Now after you do this, go ahead and design your website. So you'll need a homepage, service page, contact page, and an about page. You can use WP forms or Elementor forms to collect client requirements. Link this form to each service package. Now once you're done with this, you need to proceed on the payment gateways. So set up PayPal and Stripe for secure payments and test the checkout process to ensure smooth transactions. Use SEO, social media, and paid ads to drive traffic and offer discounts or free trials to attract first clients. Collect testimonials and build a portfolio. And that is how you can basically make drop servicing video editing website on WordPress.